Happy day, dear all. Welcome to my English class. In the last class, we started lesson number 2, the Tailor Bird and the Naughty Cat, and we completed page number 24. And now, let us move on to page number 25. So, my dear little darlings, kindly open your textbook, page number 25. So every day, so in the previous lesson, we saw there was a tailor bird who built a nest in the kitchen garden of a household, and after some day, she even laid eggs also. How many eggs did she lay, my dear little darlings? Yes, wonderful. Three eggs she laid, and out of that, three beautiful chicks also emerged. As soon as the chicks were born, they were not able to fly. They couldn't even open their eyes. But only thing they could do is, yes, they could make a shrill voice. And at the same time, there was also a cat who was very mischievous, very naughty. And that cat, what it wanted? Yes, it wanted to take away the chicks. So let us see what happens further. Every day, she would come to the tailor bird's nest and try to talk to her. At the same time, she would keep looking for an opportunity to take the chicks. In a sing-song voice, she would say, "Oh, my dear tailor bird, how do you do?" The clever bird would bow respectfully and reply, "Oh, my dear Maharani, I bow to you." So this is what was happening. The cat, already we have studied that it was very mischievous and at the same time it was smart also. Even though it wanted to eat the chicks, take away the birds, it directly did not attack. Okay, what did it do? It was waiting for an opportunity. Yes, it was waiting for an opportunity to grab the birds and run away. So every day, whenever she came, she was talking to the tailor bird in a sing-song voice. And she was asking the bird, "How are you, my dear tailor bird?" And the clever bird also would respectfully bow. Bow andre tale baggodu. Okay, with respect, it would also reply. It would call the cat as Maharani. Yeah, if someone says that you are a Maharani, you'll feel so proud, isn't it? Yes, here also the cat felt very proud listening to the tailor bird calling her Maharani and bowing at her. So she used to feel proud. So after feeling proud, what was she doing? Let us see in the next page. And before that, let us see the word meanings. Yes, shrill. What is the meaning of shrill, my dear little darlings? Yes, shouting at a high pitch. Joragi kirchodu. That is called as shrill. What is opportunity? Yes, opportunity is the right chance. Whenever you get a right chance, you should just utilize it. Okay, you should never miss out the opportunity. Next one is Maharani. Maharani means nothing but queen in Hindi language. Okay, Maharani andre queen. That's it. Okay. Now let us move on to our next paragraph. So after listening to the tailor bird calling the cat Maharani, what happens we will see. And the cat would leave proud and happy to be called a queen, the chicks forgotten. So as soon as it hears The tailor bird, calling her Maharani, she used to feel so proud of her. And she would just forget the chicks and she would go back to her place. Time passed and the chicks grew. They could now see clearly and had strong wings. One day their mother asked them, "My children, do you think you will be able to fly now?" So mother is asking. So now as time passed, after many days, the chicks were able to see as they had grown up, and their wings also were quite strong to take a flight. So mother asked their chicks, "My dear lovely children, are you all ready to fly now?" The reply given by the chicks are, "Of course, mother," they replied. So they said, "Yes, mother, we are ready." "Then fly to the highest branch of that palm tree," she said. Now, mother is telling, "Okay, wonderful, my dear little darlings. Everyone, fly to the highest branch of that palm tree." So there was a palm tree. Okay, so she's asking her chicks, "Why don't you fly high to the top of the palm tree?" Her children immediately they took the flight and settled on the highest branch of the nearby palm tree. So immediately when mother ordered these three beautiful chicks, they took the flight. Andre, they started flying and they sat on top of the palm tree. A nearby palm tree there was there, and they took the flight and sat on top of that palm tree. Yeah. Now, time for your home assignment. Okay. So, did the cat like being called a queen? Yes, my dear darlings. I want you to answer to this question. Did the cat really like being called a queen? Next, give the opposites of the following: highest, naughty, near, strong, clever, happy, strong, proud. So this is your home assignment. Okay. Can you all guess the correct answer for these questions? I will give you 5 minutes of time. Yes, my dear darlings. So, yeah, of course, yes, the cat liked to be called a queen. Then the opposite of highest is lowest. Wonderful. Naughty is good, exactly. Near is far, beautiful. Strong, weak. Clever, fool. Happy, sad. Strong, weak. Proud, ashamed. Great job, my dear darlings. I want you all to write these answers along with the questions in your homework book once and submit it in the homework group. Great job, my dear little darlings. While writing the homework, kindly make sure that you will be writing in a very beautiful handwriting. Yes. Now we have come to the end of today's session. So until we meet in the next class, stay home, stay safe. See you. Bye.